So let me give you a look on what's been going on in the mesh cage. It was just built 2 months ago now. Let's see. As you can see, tons of growing. All different ideas. Instead of just sitting down, just clicking like on videos or just watching endless videos and not taking any action, action has been taken. Tons of different things growing. If things are missing, it's because they've already been harvested. Despite what any naysayers might think. Variety of different beans. Spinach, onions, eat a lot of the spinach. Then you got tomatoes in the planter with that, in the planter with the corn. You got kale, Portuguese cabbage in there as well. Nice sized ones, love these leaves, tastes great. Tomatoes, again, tons of peas and runner beans. Love it in here, it's just real luscious for them. Really flourish. It's their own world. Spaghetti squash. Runner beans. Peas. On top, lettuce. This is pak choy, purple stem pak choy, green stem pak choy. Kidney beans. More tomatoes. Tomatoes are loving it. Check it. Combination of purple and yellow onions. Kale, Portuguese cabbage. There's going to be tons of beans coming up here as well. Some wild blackberries going on there. Grapevine in the corner. So let me step back, give you a full view from both sides. And the other side. Yeah. And it was all built by hand. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just act, learn in the process.